So the 15 kilometers starts just from here up to the end. Right now, most of the work is done until where we have the rock blasting area, which is about 1 kilometer or 1.2 towards the end of the country. Wasa, just drive to where they're working now. That's what they're looking at. Most of the asphalt work. Yes, sir. All right. Yes, sir.
All those we need to do the base very well. That is why we need to take a little more time. We will do our best in the middle of this month to finish the earthwork. So the coming half month we will do the welding post, pavement. Sorry.
So the plaster has to be completed now.
Sorry.
The plaster not the rock.
Yeah. Okay, Your Excellency.
I don't tell them inside that. Where the guy there? Where is it? I just repeat you now.
We have done everything here permanent. There is nothing temporary anymore. You will have provision to go to the Bill Clinton district from the main road. But this will be maybe another project. Curbstone is complete, 75% completed. Right now we are going front. You will see that we are laying the asphalt binder course, the first layer. And as we promised during the flag, we'll be able to commission this project.
Police, there's additional area for EFCC from the layout I saw, and then police around it. Yes, even additional area for EFCC. I think they have some extension which you have put.
This one here, probably remind me. I will put the why they go
Right now it's we call it trumpet. It comes down just to join the exit. So when this district is fully open, then slip road is part of the permanent area.
This fence is it for the EFCC?
No, it's university.
Isaac, maybe you will.
Out of it.
So it will go this way.
For now, yes, it will go like this, straight to the main road. Yes,
When you are coming, just come sleep in.
You can see it from here. So right now, I think as for this one. Yes. No, we are great only for advance. We have two certificates, one for the finance and one for the pipeline.
Continuous inspection of projects across Abuja. I mean, the May inauguration, the May second anniversary of the president is just close by, and it appears you are not resting. You are always on the streets of Abuja to inspect projects. Tell us what you've seen today and what you make of what the contractors have done.
Well, just like we said yesterday, we're going around to see those projects that contractors have assured us that will be completed and will be inaugurated during the president's second year anniversary. we were in Ossex, 15 kilometers leading to Wasa, which is being done by CGC, and you can see for sure that they have still said that they are going to be ready. Here now we are to the road into the EFCC Academy, which is being carried by Levante, and you have seen the contractor say that it will also be ready by May ending. We're very happy with what we are seeing and the quality of job that has been carried out. We believe, to the glory of God, that Mr. President will also be happy when it comes to inaugurate these projects. It is part of what we want to see, that promises made and promises fulfilled or kept. It's not good to just award contract and then you abandon it because you abandon the project. This administration, Mr. President, does not believe in that. Any contract given must be completed for people to use. But this road has also opened our eyes as to the kind of land that the university has acquired. I mean, it's not acceptable. You can't deny development. I don't know where a university will go and take over 1,000 hectares of land. For what purpose? We've been to universities, we've gone around to schools. It hardly can, I mean, just the grabbing of land is not the voting. It's just for development purpose. And we have been told that the police was also given here. And nobody's kind of really development. Well, let's see. Because of this road now, what will happen? May that attract people to come and develop their properties. So we're happy what we're seeing. We're very happy, and we commend the contractors for the good job they are doing, and we can assure them they will continue to partner with them for the development of Abuja.
All right, sir. You talked about the land.
What future? Before you know it, they will begin to lease it out to people. It doesn't make sense. What makes university is not the large expanse of land. What makes university is the infrastructure, the quality. It's not about land. You can have 20,000 hectares of land and the university does not have any infrastructure. So what does it help? We must stop this idea of just acquiring land for acquiring sake. That is not the essence of it. If they give you land, you develop it. If you don't develop it, the government will take it back and give to those who want to develop. So that's our position.
So will the administration take any action?
No, don't allow me to, don't jump the gun yet. Let the director of land come to me and let discuss and invite the university and even the police why they have not been able to develop this area. We're not there yet. We're not visiting all the roads yet. We're visiting the ones we know that we want to inaugurate in May. With time, like tomorrow, we're going to Kwali to see A to Pai. We'll look at Oshafa. These are roads, the rural areas, the satellite town that we want to inaugurate. What other roads are still after that, we'll continue to visit other roads. Don't be in a hurry.
Thank you.
Need a shot.